This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this might be the perfect trio of cases for that phone. For disclosure, dbrand did send me out these cases, but this video isn't sponsored and nobody gets to look at it before it goes live, except for me. First up, let's take a look at the updated Ghost, which is now available in 3 colors: Cosmic Orange, Deep Blue, and the original black. dbrand shared that they spent a lot of time color matching these 2 new colors with the actual iPhones themselves. So now here are all the different color combinations that you can pull off. Definitely let me know down in the comments which combination is your favorite. dbrand, in their special way, says the Ghost will never yellow and stands by that claim. If it does, send them an email and they'll replace it. This case comes in a weight of 43 grams, which is a pretty average weight for a phone case. It's pretty obvious from looking at it that this case is MagSafe compatible. And when it comes to MagSafe strength, easily has one of the strongest connections out of all the cases I've tested. The fit of this case is excellent and in hand has a slim feeling. The lip of this case covers the frame of the phone, which I think we can all appreciate. From the side, there's enough lip to keep your screen from rubbing against surfaces if it's placed face down. That includes with a screen protector as well. dbrand also makes screen protectors, so it would be kind of insane for their cases not to work with screen protectors. Taking a look at the left side of the case is your first look at the grip pattern that runs along both sides and the top of the case as well. This does a really good job at giving you extra confidence holding on to your expensive iPhone. Each corner of the case is a bit thicker, which is there to help protect your phone if it's dropped. I also find that this helps with my ability to shift my phone around when I'm stretching for that bottom corner. The buttons on this case have their own unique grip pattern and are what I call semi-detached. They all have really good response and stick up just enough to be able to find them without looking. On the right is where you'll find your camera control button. Between the 3 different colors of the Ghost case, there is a slight difference in the camera control button's appearance, but they all function just the same. At the bottom, this case has precise cutouts for bottom microphones, speaker, and a good sized space for different sizes of charging cables. To the left and the right of those cutouts is where the grip pattern ends, which is more comfortable for those of us who rest our pinky down here. For camera protection, what you'll find with all 3 dbrand cases is that they're fully covering your camera plateau, which is going to give you maximum protection. And then really quick, here's a look at what the iPhone Air looks like in its version of the Ghost case. My only real critique of this case is the same that comes with any clear case. After a bit of use, if you don't wipe it regularly, you will see fingerprints, and the natural oil from your hands will kind of make the case a little slippery. Though these are small problems. How does that saying go? If you got an issue, here's a tissue. So wipe your phone case and you're good to go. Next up is the tank. This case is like an IPA. It's an acquired taste that you'll come to love. Then you realize that there's this passionate group of people around you whose entire goal in life is to try and convince others around them to try it. Now the tank is probably the boldest case design I've seen in a long time. It looks like it would be uncomfortable to hold, but it's surprisingly not that bad. All of these different ridges and shapes actually give the case a pretty good grip and a lot of different spots to hold onto when you move your phone around in your hand. Listen to me, I'm converted and you just need to try this case. One big thing you do need to know about this case though is that it fits incredibly tight. Like once it's on your phone, it does not want to come off. It's like a good pair of really tight pants. This case is covered in little Easter eggs. I debated telling you what all of them are, but I'll leave it up to you to figure out for yourself. The back of this case has so much going on, and I'm a fan of it. The standout for me are these grooves. I use them a lot for moving the phone around in my hand. Here's a quick look at the case from the front. The lip covers the phone frame, and from the side, you can see it has good protection for the phone display, with and without a screen protector. Here's a look at the left side of the case. This is super subtle, but if you look here, there are 3 grooves, which are perfect resting spots for 3 of your fingers. The buttons on this case are floating, which have a good click and response. They're also interchangeable. The case comes with a black set installed, but available separately are 3 different sets. This is Napalm, this is Plasma, and this is Recon. Comment below and let me know which button color is your favorite. For me, it's between teal, green, and red. If I could create a color that doesn't already exist, I'd probably pick something like a royal blue or a vibrant forest green. On the right side is your camera control button, which works well in testing it. Honestly, these days I have the swiping turned off and I just use this button as a double press to open my camera. Cutouts at the bottom are all good, with plenty of space given around your charging port for a variety of charging cables. Like the Ghost case we just looked at, the MagSafe on this case is extra strong. So, camera protection. I don't feel like I need to even say much of anything. We can just look and know that your camera plateau and the lenses are going to be just fine. This case weighs 60 grams, but I don't really think that matters. What matters is how the case makes you feel and how you feel about the case. I say if you're at all inclined, just try it. The link's in the description. And if you're curious, yes, there is a tank for the iPhone Air, and this is what it looks like. This is the tried, tested, and true dbrand grip case. If you're someone who struggles to hold on to their phone, this is without a doubt a case for you. The grip has a unique design that is made to work with dbrand's 53 different skins, so the case can go from looking like this to something like this. The grip has a weight of 50 grams. Leave a comment if you're obsessed with case weights. Here's a look at the dbrand grip with the iPhone 17 Pro Max installed. Without a skin, the case is a harder material with a light texture. This works well with the dbrand skins, which, once they're stuck on, aren't coming off unless you intentionally peel them off. Here's a look at the case from the front. Like the other two cases, there's good coverage of the phone frame. So no bright silver, orange, or subtle blue peeking through, like you'd expect. There's a good lip on the case to protect your screen with or without a screen protector. Now the standout feature of this case is the texture all around the edge of the case. The amount of grip that this case provides is actually wild, and it does all this without pulling your pockets inside out like an Apple silicone case. This is a firm rubber material with thousands of little dots all over it that looks like this. Even lightly holding onto my phone, this case has so much grip. It almost makes me feel overconfident with my phone, and I'm holding it and throwing it around in ways that I shouldn't. The buttons on this case are great. Semi-attached, grippy pattern, and have really good response. The camera control button is a little different. It's a harder material, which is conductive for all the swipes, if you use that. MagSafe on this case, like the others, is very strong. In older versions of this case, I found that the MagSafe was noticeably weaker when you had a matte skin installed. The MagSafe in this updated version is so strong that even adding a skin to it doesn't seem to take away any noticeable strength. The cutouts at the bottom of the case are precise and have a good amount of space left for all those different charging cables and other accessories that you'd be connecting to your phone. Camera protection is solid. I've always been a fan of this design, especially since it creates a perfectly flat surface for your phone, so not wobbling when you set it down. Alrighty then, that's been a look at the updated dbrand case lineup, including the new ghost colors, the grip, as well as the tank. Links for all these cases will be down in the description, so you can find them nice and easy. Thanks for spending time out of your day to hang out and watch this video. Consider subscribing, smash the like button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you again.